Hello dear students, how are you? This is Emmanuel Anthony and you are watching my YouTube channel English as a Second Language in Pakistan. In this video lecture number 33, we are going to discuss the novel Goodbye Mr. Chips. We'll be reading some text from chapter number 6 and this text is going to be from page number 14, line number 33 to 42. As I read the text for you, we'll discuss the synonyms in context. I'll also be explaining you the events happening here in these lines, the ideas being shared. I hope you'll enjoy this lesson. Are you ready? Rather to her surprise, he gave away. He gave away. He accepted the idea of Catherine. In the previous lesson, we saw that Catherine was arguing that people or students from poor areas should be allowed to play a football match with Brookfield football team. And finally, Mr. Chips accepted what she was saying and suddenly became a keen advocate. Keen, enthusiastic, and advocate, supporter. He became a keen advocate of the proposal, plan, and the volte-face, complete change was so complete that the authorities were taken unaware and found themselves consenting to the dangerous experiment. In this line, the author is saying that all this happened so quickly that before the authorities came to know what was going to happen, they had already given their permission for this dangerous experiment. The boys from Popular arrived at Brookfield one Saturday afternoon, played soccer with school's second team, were honorably defeated. Now the team of the poor boys or the people of the students from the poor areas football team, they lost the match. They could only score 5, whereas Brookfield scored 7. Honorably defeated by 7 goals to 5, and later had high tea. Now high tea is a type of tea party with a lot of things to eat along with tea. High tea with the school team in the dining hall. They then met the head and were shown over the school. They also met, a meeting was also arranged with the principal of Brookfield to these boys, and then these boys were also provided an opportunity to visit the whole school. And Chips saw them off at the railway station in the evening. Chips also, took them to the railway station so that they could depart for their area there. Everything had passed without a slightest hitch. Hitch? Obstacle. Difficulty. There was no difficulty. There was no problem for this visit of any kind. And it was clear that the visitors were taking away with them as fine an impression as they had left behind. So Catherine's ideas, it became successful. The football team from the poor area of London came, played, got defeated, took tea, visited the Brookfield, and they left happily. And they were impressed, and they were also able to impress the people at the Brookfield, and this meeting, this event was a great success, and this was basically Catherine's idea. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Have a very nice time. Thank you.